Hey guys, I hope you're having an amazing Valentine's Day celebration with loved ones. For us, we will be staying at home and we will be cooking our dinner as usual, but I will be eating my favorite beef meal or recipe tonight because Scott will be making me my favorite beef recipe, which is creamy garlic pepper beef. Yeah, that's the name of the recipe. I just eat it every time and I don't even bother like memorizing the complete name. It's too long. Creamy garlic pepper beef. So Scott will be making it for me and right now he's in the kitchen. So come on, let's join him. My chef for tonight is starting the recipe with slicing the lean meat, the beef, into really thin slices to ensure it cooks easily. Now is marinating it with soy sauce, oyster sauce, and ground pepper. Mixing it really well and putting it on the side. He's gonna chop the garlic. He's chopping the garlic, all this garlic, because he's gonna need all this for the recipe. And now he's adding oil into the pan and started to saute the garlic. He's removing it from the pan because he will be adding the meat next. In this case, he needs to make sure that the meat is well cooked and that it's tender. He added the onions as well. Now the meat is ready. So he's starting with the butter, added it to the pan because he will be adding the mushrooms in it. Now he's slicing it. And he added some flour to make the consistency a bit sticky because it's going to be a cream. And added the chicken cube and some more ground pepper. Now it's time for the meat or the beef to go back in. And the last part would be the garlic. And this is our meal. Now it's time for me to start with the dessert. He requested a cassava cake or pudding, so I have to make it for him as a gift for Valentine. We're adding the evaporated milk as well as the condensed milk to the cassava pudding. No, sorry, to the cassava. To the cassava. Then we added cheese, more cheese, and more cheese because I'm a cheesy person. Then we add the sugar, more sugar, just that sugar, and then 2 eggs to the mixture and mix it really well. We're also adding the young coconut strips because we have it, and 2 cups of coconut milk. And this is our mixture for the cassava pudding or the cassava cake. It's time to pour it into our pan after glazing it with butter. If you don't have butter, you can use oil. And that's our mixture, and it's ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees Celsius for an hour. So while we're waiting for it to cook, it's time for dinner. So guys, just a quick discussion here because I got curious what Valentine's Day is really all about, and so I searched and checked Wikipedia, and I've read that Valentine's Day actually originated as a Christian feast day honoring a martyr named Valentine. And through the later folk traditions, it has also become a significant cultural, religious, and commercial celebration of romance and love in many regions of the world. So that's what's going on today. Now our cassava is ready, and we're just adding our toppings. And there you go. It's time for a taste test. Okay, sir.
Go.
dinner served.
Dinner.
Dessert.
A heart.
Oh wow.
Biniwan ako, Bing. Yeah.
Name? Why won't you face the camera?
Video ah. May kayo.
Success. Merci.